people of the internet, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my unboxing of my November Ipsy Glam bag that comes in a box. These earrings I actually made myself, and they're real Carmex tubes with real chapstick in them, and I'm actually going to start selling earrings. So if you want to, and other jewelry possibly, I don't know, I'm still figuring it out, but if you want to check that out, check out this Instagram right here, A Bloom in Time. This will be the spelling. I mean, I probably can't put it right over my hands. It's going to be somewhere on the screen right now, though, because, you know, iMovie doesn't let you move your writing to wherever you want. Anyways, if you hear noises in the background, that is either my boyfriend or my dog or my cat or my guinea pigs. My fish doesn't really make much noise, so, you know. Yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and get started into this video. So this month I got a lot of extras because everything just looked really cool. So first thing I got was the Violet Voss Fruit Sorbet palette. These are the colors right here on the back. I actually used this one, this one, this one, and this one on my eyes today for this pretty simple look, and then whatever I use as my highlighter is on my inner corner. My next video will probably be a video of me doing this makeup look, so stay tuned for that. But that's the first extra I got. I really like that so far. Then I got this Nomad palette. It says Nomad times Berlin Underground, and it says a special edition for Ipsy. So Nomad Cosmetics, and it's the Berlin palette. And it says it's an intense eyeshadow palette. These are the colors right back here. It's very gemstone color-esque, so I'm really excited to try that out. Then I got the Gigi Gorgeous, the one and only blush in the color Authentic. See if I can open it. Show you the shade. I have been getting super into blush recently, so I was really excited about this. This is the color. Then I also got two more Gigi Gorgeous items. I got this lip gloss, which I really like this, and then I got this, I believe this is a lip balm, which oh, that noise was disgusting. Which I have not opened this lip balm yet, which I believe it's a lip balm. I don't know. I really like to smell lip balms, so I'm gonna open it real quick. Ooh. Yep, smells good. Very pretty packaging. GG. I really like this, so I'm very excited about all of those things. But now let's get into everything that I got just from being in my box. This month I actually forgot to pick out one of my items because, you know, sometimes you can customize your box and pick out one of the items. But I forgot to do that this month, so everything is just sent to me from Ipsy from what they recommended. So the first thing that I got in my bag was an actual bag. So I guess Ipsy is doing actual bags with the Glam Bag Plus now. So it's really cute. It's like this cheetah / leopard print, and inside the little prints there's like pink, and then there's a little tassel on it. So that is very cute. And then I got this primer, which is by Illamasqua. It's the Hydra Veil primer, which is really cool. It's like a jelly slime kind of thing. I don't know. I used it today. Felt really good, so I'm really excited about that. So I'm excited to see how it wears throughout the day because I have it on today, and then Bo and I are going out to the aquarium today, so we'll see how it does because I love the aquarium and I get really excited and I run around because it's like my favorite place in the world. Anyways, my next item is the Punk Volumizer Mascara by Deuce. Looks like this. Well, the box looks like that. Then open it, and I have my favorite mascara from, I got it from Ipsy, my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus a few months ago. It's the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension. That's my jam. But this is what this one looks like. Hopefully I like it, but I mean, I don't think anything really compares to the Liquid Lash Extension anymore, so yeah. But oh, I should probably tell you prices. That would be good. So this mascara is $24, and this Illamasqua primer retails for $45. So those are the prices of everything so far. And I also forgot to say, because I'm such a mess, that what it is a $25 plus shipping and tax box a month, and it is sent to you once a month, and it is curated to your profile. So in my profile I have dark hair, blue eyes, pale skin, dry skin, you know, stuff like that. And then I really like all kinds of colors. I don't really have a color preference for lipstick or eyeshadow or eyeliners or really anything. I will use pretty much everything that I get. Besides foundation, I'm not really one for foundation. But anyways, continuing the video. Sorry I forgot to put that in the beginning. Next thing I got is the Gigi Gorgeous, the 6 Sculpt Bronzer Duo, and this is in Turnt and Extra. And this is what the packaging looks like. It is so cute. It opens up and it looks like this. Very cute. I'm very excited to use it. It looks very nice. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy, my goosey. And the Gigi Gorgeous, the 6 Sculpt Bronzer Duo retails for $24. Then my next item is this Belle and Argent Attore Cream Lip Color in Smoking on Screen. The packaging on this is so cool. It's like indented like everywhere, and then there's a magnetic closure, which is super nice. This is the color. It's super duper pretty and perfect. Oh, thank you, Lucy. Perfect for fall. Lucy's putting her toy in my box. Is that a toy from my box? Did I get it in my box? And this lipstick retails for, Lucy, I can't read, $26. And then my last item is the Ciate London Dewy Stick in Glow. This is what the packaging looks like. I swatched this yesterday and my mom and I both agreed. It feels like Vaseline. You get more product in this one than you did in the highlighter stick last month. But like, it just looks like you're putting like straight coconut oil or something on your skin. There's like a slight shimmer, but not much. But it did hydrate my skin really nicely. And I mean, I guess it kind of gives it a decent glow. I mean, it says it's only a dewy glow on here, but I don't know. And then this retails for $26 as well. So that is everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So now I'm going to add up the total of everything that I got. So let's see. So the total of my box is $145, which honestly, really good deal considering all of, like, I only spent $25 on this plus shipping, so to get products worth $145, I think it's a really good deal. I really like the bag, and plus we got an actual little makeup bag. I love getting the little Ipsy makeup bags. They just make me so happy because, you know, you have one for, like, whatever kind of mood you're in, man. Like, yeah, I have so many different options by this point. Like, I've had Ipsy for a while now, so I really like them all. But I am super excited about everything I got. I really like this box. The only thing I would pass on would probably be the Ciate London Dewy Stick, but I haven't tried it out, so that's just me saying that before I've tried it out, just based off the way it feels on my hand. I feel like if you already have like foundation or concealer and powder and all that on, it would just smudge everything off, so I feel like it would have to be after primer, that kind of step, maybe even before primer. So, but then it would cover up with foundation and concealer. I don't really know. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get off because I really want to go to the aquarium with my boyfriend. Again, I really hope you guys like my earrings, and if you want a pair of your own, definitely be sure to check out my A Bloom in Time Instagram. And then just DM me for like whatever earrings that you would like to get. So anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in my next video. And I hope you guys liked this one. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye!